Y'all look at all these dog toys. I'm in Tractor Supply and they have a good selection of toys and items for your doggy. Look at that one, like lamb chops. Those of us in my age group remember Sherry Lewis and lamb chop. And there maybe some more on the other side, but sometimes when people know you're filming, they want to run you out. And I got to buy some dog food. So let's see. Look at that right there. That is just too cute. I wonder what my dogs play with any of these. Oh, a comb. Oh, he would like that. Okay, y'all. And here's all the little things for your dogs. All the collars and stuff. Any color, size that you would want. And they have the harness, because you don't want to pull your dog right around the neck. Get a harness. Ooh, can you imagine the size of the dog that fit in that? Ooh, I shudder to think. And here's some muzzles. Oh, look at the little dog down there with the muzzle on, to be sure he's not vicious. Then there's the thing for the water. There's a heated pet bowl, y'all. There's things for water. So, anyway, y'all, here's some things to put the food and the water in. Look how much dog food you can store in this. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get back down here and look at lamb chops. So until next video, bye-bye. And I thank God for waking me up. He didn't have to do it, but he did.